Understanding the phrase, on bended knee. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression that you might have come across in books, movies, or even songs, on bended knee. This phrase holds a lot of historical and cultural significance, and understanding it can enrich your English learning journey. So, let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations. On bended knee is a phrase that paints a vivid picture. At its core, it represents a gesture of submission, respect, or plea. When someone is said to be on bended knee, they are typically in a position that shows they are asking for a favor, forgiveness, or permission in a very humble or respectful manner. This expression can be used both literally, to describe someone physically kneeling, and figuratively, to convey a deep level of earnestness or humility in one's request. Historically, the act of kneeling before someone else has been a powerful symbol of deference and respect. In many cultures, knights would kneel to show loyalty to their lords, and people of faith kneel in prayer to express reverence. On bended knee carries with it this rich tapestry of meanings, illustrating not just a physical position, but a mindset of humility, respect, or supplication. In modern English, on bended knee is often used in a variety of contexts. Here are a few examples. 1. In love and romance, someone might propose marriage on bended knee to signify their deep commitment and respect for their partner. 2. In apologies and requests, expressing a sincere apology or a heartfelt request by metaphorically being on bended knee signifies the seriousness and depth of one's feelings. 3. In literature and music, this phrase is a popular choice for writers and lyricists, used to convey moments of emotional intensity, humility, or devotion. Using on bended knee in your conversations can add depth and emotion to your communication. Here's how. When expressing deep respect, I come to you on bended knee, asking for your guidance. In apologies, I am on bended knee, seeking your forgiveness for my mistake. To highlight sincerity, he proposed on bended knee, showing his true commitment. Remember, while the phrase can be powerful, it should be used in contexts where its depth and seriousness can be fully appreciated. We hope this exploration of on bended knee has added a new layer to your understanding of English expressions. Such phrases not only enrich your vocabulary but also connect you with the cultural and historical nuances of the language. Thank you for watching, and remember, learning a language opens up a world of history, culture, and emotion. Keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.